The array command, a powerful tool that allows you to create multiple copies of objects in various arrangements. Type array in the command line and press enter. AutoCAD offers different array types to suit your needs. You can choose between rectangular, polar, or path arrays depending on your design requirements. Rectangular, objects are arranged in rows and columns. Polar, objects are arranged in a circular pattern. Path, objects are arranged along a path. Choose the desired array type by typing R for rectangular, P for polar, or POT for path and pressing enter. After selecting the array type, you'll need to specify array parameters such as the number of rows and columns for rectangular arrays, the number of items and angles for polar arrays, or the path and number of items for path arrays. Let's start with the most common array type, the rectangular array. Select the object you want to duplicate. After that, you will have the array and grip to modify. You can also input the command or an option from the command bar and can give number of rows, number of columns, spacing of each object, and how much copies you want to create. Next is path array, along a curve. For more complex designs, we have the path array. Select your object. Choose the path curve. Adjust the spacing and number of items. Next up, the polar array. Select your base object. Specify the center point of rotation. The basic need of array is to create multiple copies of the desired object. After creating the array, you can edit it using grips or by using the arrayEdit command. Grips allow you to adjust the size, shape, and spacing of the arrayed objects.